Yo, what's good, boys? Dry Skating here. So today we got, what day is this? 6?
8.
8?
I think we recorded 7 last time.
But I only uploaded 5, so this is technically 6. But anyways, we got a bit of an early morning start. It's around 9:05 this morning. So yeah, we decided to wake up a little early because normally we sleep in real late, but we decided to wake up a little early and go out to the pond.
I stayed up the whole night.
Yeah, this dude stayed up the whole night. But yeah, we're gonna go out to the pond and yeah, we'll see what we get. We'll catch you guys there.
There we go, boys. First fish of the day, and that's a big one too. Dang.
Not too shabby.
He'd be keeping size if we could keep him. You know, one day, guys, we're gonna try to do a catch and cook, like one day, just to, you know, kind of sneak it, because technically we're not supposed to be doing it, but.
Or if we go somewhere else.
Or if we go somewhere else where you're allowed to keep the fish, we're gonna do a catch and cook one day. That's a good one though. Real good one. Here, put it up close to the, or nah, not yet. Put it up close to the camera. Yeah, look at that, guys. That's a good one. Dude, look at that. Holy shit. Something beat him up. That's a good one, dude.
It's keeper.
Yep. We would do an underwater release, guys, but you know, we can't because we'd have to bend down. I'd have to risk losing my GoPro.
One eye.
Oh!
You suck, Drew.
I do suck.
I brought the worms. It'd be funny if I just brought the bags and not the worms. Don't judge me, bro.
All right. By the way, guys, just a PSA real quick. I know Evan just did that and it was funny. Like, he just made the fish swan dive. But I'm seeing these videos on TikTok of people just launching fish like across the pond, and it's, oh my God, it makes me so mad. Like, please, if you catch a fish, properly place it, or just like do a little toss like that, or what Evan,
like a swan dive.
like Evan just did. Just like
that
just
almost got her.
Yeah, seriously, guys, if you catch a fish, please just place it back in the water, or just do a little toss, or do what Evan just did. Don't launch it across the damn pond.
That's what I'm gonna do with my next fish. Kidding.
Like, seriously, especially a bass, guys. Like, bass are supposed to be one of the most fun fish to catch. It's one of the best sport fish out there. I mean, you can eat them, yes, but you know, people are starting to respect bass as more of a sport fish, which
they're good eats too.
They're good eating too, but you know, bass are more a sport fish, to be honest.
Shut up, dude. Don't talk too loud.
All right, see you guys in a bit. Well, guys, good news is I caught my first fish, but the bad news is, well, we just got it untangled. Yeah, Evan and I got tangled. So yeah, here's my first fish of the day.
He N-word fished. He was N-word fishing.
Guys, well, I'm struggling to get mine. Evan got his, so.
Second.
That's his second of the day, yeah.
Is that a turtle right there? Or is that... there's a turtle right here. There's a dead turtle.
That's a turtle? All right, guys, let me take a picture of this guy and I'll let him back.
I don't have to take a picture of mine, baby. Still held it, so it counts.
All right, just let him go. All right, bye, buddy. Oh, nice.
Kind of doubled up.
Yeah, we did double up. Nice one. Oh, that was a bad high five, but whatever.
There, gotcha.
Boy gave me a good old butt smack.
They're babies right here.
Not really. We just that one I just called was decent, but
It wasn't keeping.
no, not keeper, but you know, it was decent. Not too big, but you know, not keeper size, but
Mine was definitely not keeping.
oh hell no.
First one I caught was.
Oh, 100%.
That's why I took a picture.
And dude, that one you caught the other day, that would have been some really good eating. You know, that real big, that tank. Yeah, if you got, I'll play it here in a second, but yeah, Evan caught a tank of a bluegill. So the other day, it was like, it is
At that tree right
at that
there.
tree. Guys, let me tell you, it was probably the biggest bluegill I've ever seen in my life. Like it was. Oh, dang it!
Are you stripped?
Not quite. I almost
Been
got.
stripped 4 times.
Yeah, guys. Well, I'll play the clip at the end of the video so that way you guys can see it.
It was massive.
Yeah, guys, I freaked out whenever he caught it. I was like,
It was bigger than my hand.
Evan, show the camera how big your hand is. Yeah, that's how big Evan's hand is. And that bluegill was bigger than his hand. It was probably bigger than my hand.
Shut up!
All right, see you guys in a bit. Atta boy, that's number 3.
It's gold mine right here.
That's a nice one. That could be keeper size too.
It is. This one got attacked too.
Dang.
Oh,
What's up with all these fish getting attacked?
All guards, dude, and bass.
Well, bass aren't gonna rough them up like that. A gar will, or they could be fighting another bluegill over. They could just be fighting just to, you know, fight for food. Because fish don't mate, obviously. Well, bass kinda do, but
Swan dive. Whoops.
oh, here we go, guys. Did you strip me?
My worm
Nope.
is still alive and moving from that fish still. Oops.
Oops.
I am so sorry, Drew.
You're good. Don't worry about it.
Are you still swimming?
Yeah. Oh,
Gonna come to you.
hopefully it comes to me. I might go try over there, like right over there real quick, just to see if anything's there. Like,
Is anybody over there? Nope. So, you gotta stay here. No one's over there, Drew.
no, like right over there by that stick.
Yeah, no one's over there.
All right, guys, well, I just had a bite right here. Here, let me take out my little bit of my line so that way I can, oh, got him. What?
I'm not saying anything.
Dude, I think that's a crappie.
Freaking brim.
No, that's a
That
crappie.
is not a crappie.
No, dude, you wanna know how you tell the difference?
It's not a crappie. That's how.
Oh no, that's a crappie, 100%.
Well, that was just a gar. What's the shark? What's the thing that has a shark fin? Gar.
You wanna know how you tell the difference between a crappie and a bluegill, dude?
You're gay?
No,
Got it.
no, dude, look at the eyes. You see? Bluegill just have,
And a poisonous snake.
all right, buddy.
Swan dive.
Bye, buddy.
Swan dive.
No, I just made a PSA that I don't want to freaking launch him across the damn pond.
That's not swan diving. Swan diving is just dropping it.
All right, see y'all. Mother of, god damn. Is it beat up? Huh?
This one.
Yeah, then that's not the same fish. Good looking Mustang right there. That's a nice car. Dang, nice one.
Mom used to drive a Mustang.
Yeah, I know.
First car.
Yep. Before she wrecked it.
2 of them.
Yep. Well, the second one wasn't her fault.
Turtle. I pointed at it. This is beautiful.
That's a nice
Go
fish.
back to the camera.
Yeah, dude, that's a nice fish. That is 100%. That would be keeper size.
No, that.
Yeah, that would be. That's a nice fish.
Yes, it is. Okay, bombs away.
Wait, let me see his eyes. Yeah, that's. You want to know the difference
That's a
between?
sunfish.
Yeah, that's a bluegill.
It's a sunfish.
Bluegill and sunfish are the same thing.
No, they're not.
Yeah.
Blue have bluegills.
He does have
Sunfish.
bluegills. See?
Yeah, that's a bluegill.
You. Boy, you.
Hey, you can't come back to shore. Jesus Christ. I thought that was like a catfish or something.
Alright, guys. Well, I just missed one right here. It's just a cast.
Chum the water.
Was chumming the water.
Ow!
What happened?
Nothing. Just acting high.
Evan, do it.
Are you high?
This boy does a perfect Jeffy voice.
No, I don't.
No, he does a good one.
Chum it.
Why would you do that?
I don't know. To chum the water. What do you think?
Yeah, these fish are biting today, so they deserve to get a little snack.
Yeah, the snack that's on our hook.
But you just threw 3 worms into the water.
4. It's illegal to throw 5 worms. But 4 is good.
All right, see you guys in a bit. Thought I just had one. Oh. Whoa. Y'all saw that? That almost came right back in my face. You saw that?
Oh yeah, you will.
Dude, holy shit, that came right back in my face. Oh, damn, that's... Well, I got stripped too.
Just saying, every time we tell our dad, we're gonna wake up early to go fishing. He never believes us. But this time, I made it happen.
Yep, we did wake up early and we...
No, I did. You had to get woken up by this one.
Fuck, man, he's... Dude,
He's belly up.
let me see. That... Once again, that's a little crappie because of the
Ow. Boom. I do it.
No.
Baby.
No.
I'm playing on the stick. Man, I hurt my arm.
All right, see you guys in a bit. All right, guys. Well, we've been out here for like 30 minutes or something, and they haven't been biting. Yeah.
There's a bait in the tree.
What the fuck? Look at that. There's a bait in the tree.
Grab it.
Nah, it's not too good.
Those hooks are good.
Those hooks are good. Yeah, but anyway, boys.
They're tiny rust. Tiny bit rusty.
Tiny bit. Not too bad. Yeah, but anyways, boys. We're gonna head back to our house. This isn't the end of the video though. We're gonna come back in the afternoon, whenever our dad gets home and whenever our neighbor gets home. So yeah, see you guys later.
Oh, yeah.
All right, guys. Well, Tate's got the one I set up.
Where's the hot dog? Is it still on there?
I think so.
Okay, good.
All right, guys. Well, Evan just launched a freaking hot dog.
Evan, stop throwing hot dogs. We need them for bait, dog. Okay.
Anyway.
If this starts like going, tell me. And it's not the wind.
Yeah.
I don't think it's. Especially from staying up all night. I don't feel good.
All right.
All right, guys. We'll catch you when we get on.
Okay, so we cast it out there. I had a fish. I had a bite. I know it was a fish because it was running with it. I was reeling it in, and it bit through my line, and it took my hook. So we're gonna get back out there.
Yep.
Is that my hot dog? Was that my hot dog? No, it wasn't. No, delete that. Was that my hot dog? Frick me in the head. Whatever. Oh, that was something.
How you say freaking the oh, it's something.
It stopped. It stopped short. Oh, it had a little loop in the line.
Yeah, it's all
That's
good.
the end of the line.
Oh, dang. Well, all right, guys. Well, we're just gonna let him sit for a while. Oh, we just had a bite, and it literally bit through the goddamn hook. Like, literally took his weight and everything. Or not his weight. It took his hook, and it took all the bait we had. And there's some goddamn geese just freaking honking.
Shut up!
Thank you. Shut up! See you guys in a minute. Oh my god. Well, this guy just caught
Old nasty shoe pig.
old nasty shoe pig.
Yeah, venture hook.
Daddy, that's right. You don't have a pair of pliers over there, do you?
Oh my
Do you have
gosh.
pliers in your bag?
I do.
Go get them.
Yeah. Guys, we caught a turtle.
Oh, what are we gonna do? I'm gonna let him go back in, okay?
Yeah. You gotta. Wait, how are we gonna get the hook though?
Yeah, well, just give him a sec. No, Evan.
Holy shit. We got something else, we think.
Might be a turtle.
Nope.
That's a catfish.
That's a catfish.
Let's go, baby.
Here, let me grab the line.
Let's freaking go, baby.
Fat mudcat.
That's a big one. Let's go.
Look how pregnant it is.
Dude, holy shit. That's a big one. Holy shit. Dude, hey, Tate, I figured out a way how I can hold it. All right, guys. There's a big old catfish. It's
Dude, that thing's fat.
that thing is fat. Like, look
Ready?
at that. Look at that. That's a big old belly right there.
Ready?
Yep, let him go.
First catfish of the night, baby.
Let's go.
And many more to come.
Hopefully. All right, see y'all in a bit. Dude, we
No,
got
it's
another
not.
catfish. No, it's
Okay, my pole fell completely in the water. I had to go in and save it. And then I set the hook on a catfish.
dude. Holy shit. Oh my
Turn my
god.
flashlight. Here, come hold the
Holy shit. Again.
flashlight.
Dude.
Here you go.
Holy shit.
Ugh.
This little. All right, see y'all in a bit whenever we release it. All right, Tate.
The pole fell in the water.
That is.
Who caught that?
You did.
No. Who told me that it was?
Dude, Brendan told you. Brendan told you. Oh, it was Evan? Dudes. All right, boys. Well, my GoPro's about to die, so that's gonna be it for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed. We'll see y'all
Dude, I was excited.
in the next one. Peace.
I hooked myself.